हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम जानेंगे नेटवर्किंग कमांड इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डिस्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। Today we are seeing the GUI based operating system. Formally we are using a command line interface operating system. So in the 1984, the Windows will comes up with the DOS operating system. So there are purely a command line interface based CLI based interface operating system. So some of the network command which are we mostly use in day by day routine. So which are that command? Let's we see in these videos. So that network command will be helpful to get the network information as well, connecting and tracing the route of the network. So which are those we are seeing into the this video. So some of the generic DOS is not available in anywhere, but the lightweight version of a DOS will be inbuilt into the Microsoft operating system that we call as CMD command line, or you call it as a command prompt. तो आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाके हम उसको देख सकते हैं. तो MS DOS यानी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डिस्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. तो विच आर कमांड इज देयर फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन. तो पहला कमांड है फॉर द नेटवर्किंग आईपी कॉन्फ़िग. So IP config network command is used to get the information about the IP address of your current device. आप कौन से डिवाइस पे वर्क कर रहे हो और उसके जितने भी नेटवर्क कनेक्शन है उसके आईपीस क्या क्या है वो आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. वी ऑलरेडी सीन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन आईपी एंड मैक एड्रेस. तो वो कैसे वर्क करता है, लेट्स सी. इफ we have to go to the CMD. You already know that either you run the CMD, either you run the CMD, or you may be CMD. So you directly open the CMD window, or you may be go to the accessories, start menu, accessories, and command prompt. So you can both the way you can open the CMD. So here they are mentioning some of the thing I will show you. Microsoft Windows version 6.1. These are the latest CMD version inbuilt into the Windows 7. I have a Windows 7 OS. So their CMD inbuilt with this System 32. So some of the basic command you already aware about that. Date. So it will show the date of, if you want to modify, then you can modify it. If you want to change, then time. So there are lots of command is there. If you want to create a file, then you will be type. Uh, you will be open the any files. So that's why there are so many basic command is there. But today we are seeing the network, focusing on the network command. So what are the network? If I want to change the directory, I want to move again into the, so this will be a previous, move to the previous directory. If you want to move to the some drive, I will mention the drive. So that will be moved to that drive. So this about the, if you want to clear the screen, these are the CLS command. I done the movement into the different drives of the computer. But today we are focusing on the network command. So first we see the IP config. IP config. What are the use of? So this will be fetch the IP address of the system. So how many adapter or Wi-Fi adapter is there? They are fetching the IP address. So now I have connected with the only one wireless adapter because I connected my PC with the Wi-Fi. So these are the showing the local IPv6 and IPv4 एड्रेस. तो वहां पे डिफॉल्ट गेटवे क्या है, उसका आईपी एड्रेस क्या है, सबनेट मास्क क्या है. तो दिस आर द main IPv4 address 192.168.211.48. So these are the IP config command. This will show the list of the IP address और वायरलेस डिवाइस आपने कितने डायनेमिक आईपी से कनेक्ट किया है तो वो आपको दिखाएगा. आईपी config के भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. आईपी config all, they're having option IP config all, that will display all the adapter in previously connected. प्रीवियसली जितने भी कनेक्टेड है और जितने भी नंबर ऑफ वाईफाई कनेक्शन है सबके आईपी यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे. वन इज द ब्लूटूथ डिवाइस. दिस आर द फिजिकल एड्रेस मींस मैक एड्रेस. तो ये दिस आर द यूज ऑफ अ IP config command. Now see the second command. If you want to get the information about the IP address of number of IP address of the connection which are connected with our system, so that will be helped with the help of IP config command. Now second command is NS lookup. Now NS lookup command is used to troubleshoot network connectivity issue in the system. So NS lookup will be show the network connectivity issue or troubleshooting of the network connectivity issue with the help of NS look command. How we can type that? Let's see. NS lookup. Just type the NS lookup. It will show the default unknown server because I connected with a wireless connection. So these are, they will be showing the which are lookup joining for the network. These are the use of NS lookup. Now host name, which you are selecting from the which host, that will be showing into the, so you just type the host name. So it will be showing a user PC. My PC name, host name is a user PC. So that's why that returning host is a user PC. I am not changing the name. Then we have a ping command. If you want to connect with any server or any IP, we just type your ping command. Ping www. Otherwise, you can specify the google.com. So it will be connected with the Google. So by default, the routing, that's routing by our default router, and that will be connected data outcome with Google. If you want to connect with some IP 192.168.125, or you awareing with the IP address of the some server, so you directly ping with the. I just randomly type that. It may be a not existence, or maybe a disconnected, or maybe a not routed properly. So this the way you ping the connectivity. Ping is used to check the connectivity between the two nodes. तो ping command is one of the most widely used. नेटवर्किंग में सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने वाला कमांड है ping command. कोई भी कनेक्ट कोई we want to check the node connection between two node, we just specify the ping, or we check whether this node is connected with the server, or whether two node are connected properly, or is connectivity existing between two node, that will be checking with the help of ping command. Then after tracer, the tracer command is used to trace the route during the transmission of the data packet over the destination. How many hoops, how many nodes, or how many the route taken by that IP. That with the help of tracer command we can check out. So for example, tracer, I want to go with the www dot google.com. I just preferring a Google server. That will show the how. Sorry. Oh, tracer, sorry. The spelling mistake. Tracer. Tracer means tracing a route. The simple meaning. So that will be show the how route will take follow the different route, or how many hoops will be connected. That's through the tracing command. Then I will cancel that. Then again we move toward the net state. Net state command is name suggests the display on overview of all the network connection in the device. आपके डिवाइस पे कितने नेटवर्क कनेक्शन कनेक्टेड है, the table will be showing the IP or current state of a network, that will be shown by one type of work is IP config forward slash all. उसका जैसे सेम काम नेटवर्क स्टेट, नेटवर्क का स्टेट क्या है, अभी कौन से आईपी है, कौन से आईपी एस्टेब्लिश है, कहाँ से कनेक्शन है नहीं है, ये सब यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. Then system info. One command is that system info. It will be showing the collecting the all the information of your system. What is the name of your system? Uh, Dell PC, processor, which OS you preferring, bit, number of bit, when did you install OS, company of your manufacturer, model of your PC, number of bit you follow, model, all the each and every detail, minor detail will be which language you selected, which local time you selected, which work group were working, memory size, what was the memory size, what was the physical, each and everything will be mentioned into the system info. How many network card did you install? How many, which Wi-Fi standard AI triple A standard you following 802.111b ZNN. All the minor, each and every minor detail will be connected with the which another device, Microsoft Virtual Wi-Fi mini port adapter. So each and every information will be there into the system info command. Then so next start, then ARP. Now ARP is address resolution protocol. ARP command is used to access the mapping structure of IP address to the MAC address. So their physical address, MAC address will be mapping with each and another nodes. IP address को MAC address के साथ mapping करता है. This provides us the better understanding of transmission of packet in the network channel because our IP address is a dynamic address. So sometimes you need a physical mapping to transfer the packet or transfer the data. That time, this resolution done by the ARP. If I use that ARP, so that will show the exact idea about the how the ARP follow the path, how ARP send the packet, or each and there are so many multiple options of ARPs there. If I mention ARP of www.google.com, or otherwise I mentioned another Indian site, epscojust.org. So if these sites will be exist, this will be ojust.go, sorry, gov.in, gov.guj.in, something is there, maybe. Okay, this may be a not routing possible with this site, maybe URL wrong. Here system info, we already see the name of number of hardware connected, processor information, computer information, operating system information, booting device information, or any extra adapter device connected. Each and every detail we can find out with the help of system info. So these are the basic command of networking. Mostly we see the IP config and ping command, and there are lots of basic command. For example, if I want to move toward the C drive, then this will be showing the C drive. If I again want to open the some folder, for example, I stand into the control C. I want to open the some folder there. I just mentioned the example. So sorry, I want to move toward the desktop. So automatically this will move toward the desktop part. If I move toward the another folder, or if I want to uh, list the number of files, then this will be showing how many number of files or which are the files we have uh, put into the desktop folder. They are showing the number of directory and file into the desktop folder. If I want to show read the some file, so type a1.txt. One file is pending over there, a1.txt. So that will be displayed onto the command line. A1.txt file exists. So this will be showing the data of the A1. If I want to copy that A1.txt, so copy A1.txt, sorry, copy A1.txt into A2. So this will be overwrite, sorry, already A2 is exist. So yes, I said yes, you overwrite. That will be because A2 is already exist. So I mentioned another name, ABC or something XYZ dot txt. So this will be create a new file. So one file is copied. If I search out that, then this will be showing XYZ. So here will be the XYZ dot create. So already copied the file. If I want to copy with the folder or anything, we will done with the help of command line interface. If I want to make a directory, mkdir, make a directory. I want to make a directory name 123. So this will be showing a 123 name directory or folder. तो यहाँ पे एक 123 नाम का folder और directory create. So these are the 123 folder. If I want to access that 123 folder, just send the directory 123. So we will move toward the again I returning to the base directory cd. So there are lots of basic command into the Microsoft DOS. We can apply it, we can try it. These are for the theory prospect as well as our common use prospect. So we will see till here. Thank you so much for watching video. So this about the basic command of network information.